In this video, we have given two concentric circles and AB is 14. Then we have to find this blue area. So, in any circle, if AB is any chord and O is the center, and if we draw a perpendicular on AB from O, suppose this point is P, then AP will be equal to BP. And here, suppose O is the center of both the circles, and if we draw a perpendicular from O, suppose this point is P, then AP will be equal to BP, and AB is 14, so AP will be 7 and BP will be 7. And if we join OB, then OB is radius of bigger circle and OP is radius of a smaller circle. And now in triangle OPB, it is O, P, B, OB is capital R, OP is a small r, and PB is 7, and this angle is 90 degree. So, OP square plus PB square, it will be equal to OB square by Pythagoras theorem. And OP is a small r square plus PB is 7 square, it is equal to OB is capital R square. So 7 square will be equal to capital R square minus small r square. And now blue area, it will be equal to area of bigger circle minus area of a smaller circle, and area of bigger circle, it will be pi times capital R square minus area of a smaller circle, it will be pi times a small r square, and it is pi times capital R square minus a small r square, and 7 square is equal to capital R square minus a small r square. So it will be pi times 7 square, that will be equal to 49 pi. So it is 49 pi.